In this video, I will show you how to streamline your schedule by managing Google Calendar using the power of artificial intelligence. Most people think they have to manually type in every single detail on their calendar page, but you can actually let Claude do the heavy lifting for you. This is an incredible time saver if you are juggling multiple meetings or personal appointments. To get started, all you need to do is provide Claude with a specific prompt. For example, you can say, create an event for a dentist appointment on August 15th from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and give me a Google Calendar link for it. Once you send that request, Claude processes the information and generates a convenient click to add URL or a downloadable calendar file block. It understands the dates and times perfectly, so you do not have to worry about formatting errors. When the link appears in the chat, simply click on it. This action will open your web browser and automatically populate a new event window with all the correct details already filled in. All that is left for you to do is hit the Save button. If Claude provides a file instead, just open it to sync the data directly to your preferred calendar app. Using this method ensures you never miss a beat and keeps your planning process fast and fluid without any manual data entry. It is a smarter way to stay organized throughout your busy week. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope this trick makes your daily scheduling much easier. Be sure to try it out today.